Aladdin. Once, there was a young boy named Aladdin. He lived with his mother in a village of Arabia. They were very poor. Aladdin's father had died a few years ago, leaving them no money. One day, a rich merchant came to their house and said to Aladdin's mother, "I want to take your son with me for some work. I will reward him handsomely." The mother was very happy. She thought, "At last, my son will earn a living." Aladdin's mother at once agreed. But she was not aware that the man pretending to be a merchant was in reality a wicked magician. The next morning, Aladdin and the merchant left. After walking for miles, they reached a rocky mountain. The merchant asked him to lift a large stone. Aladdin lifted the stone, and below it was a narrow passage with some stairs. "Go inside," the merchant ordered. "You can take as much gold as you want. I only want you to get an old lamp for me." Inside, Aladdin saw that the cave was filled with gold. He filled up his pockets with gold. He picked up the lamp and called out to the merchant. "Give me the lamp," the merchant said. Aladdin said, "Pull me out first." The merchant got angry and closed the opening of the cave, leaving Aladdin behind in the cave. Sitting alone, Aladdin started cleaning the lamp. Suddenly, the cave was filled with smoke and a genie appeared. He said, "My master, I am the genie of the lamp. I shall do whatever you wish." Aladdin said, "Take me back home." The genie made a magical carpet, and the very next moment, Aladdin was back home. He hugged his mother. He told her about the genie and the lamp. Aladdin again called the genie and asked for a palace. Soon, they were in the palace instead of a hut. Aladdin became rich and married the beautiful daughter of the Sultan. He was very happy. The wicked magician got to know about Aladdin and came to his palace. He pretended to exchange old lamps for new ones. Aladdin's wife gave his old lamp to the magician. He rubbed the lamp and the genie appeared. He ordered the genie to take Aladdin's palace to a faraway desert. When Aladdin came back, he was shocked to see his wife and palace missing. His mother told him what had happened and gave him a magical carpet. He quickly got onto his magical carpet and said, "Take me to the princess." The magical carpet flew faster than the wind, and soon he reached the place where his wife was imprisoned. Aladdin found the lamp lying on the floor. Before the magician could do anything, he had got hold of it and rubbed it. The genie appeared and asked, "What is your wish, my master?" Aladdin ordered him to send the magician away and take the palace back to the city. The genie punished the magician. He carried the palace back to the city. Aladdin and his wife lived happily ever after. Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.